Yes, you can see the story. Sir, ma'am, can you make it a little
Nizina
bigger?
ma'am, I request you can start from beginning because there is so many
Okay.
noise.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, on the screen also make it a little bigger, so I'll start from the beginning only. One second,
Yes,
huh?
thank
One
you, ma'am.
second. Yeah, wait, 1 second.
अभी सुनने या लगता अब सीख ले अभी स्टोरी ये वीडियो अब अपने करने का छोटी है वो क्या करती है यार
Okay. Children, can you mute yourself so I can start with the story? Yes, Cheryl ma'am, can you start with the first slide? The name of the story. Okay. What is the name of the story? The goose that laid the golden egg. Okay. Goose is, it looks like a duck only, children. There are hens. Which other bird gives hens? Yes. Which birds give eggs? किसको किसको पता है? Who will tell me? Name some birds which you know that lay eggs. Ah, pigeon. Yes, very
Pigeon,
good.
yes.
And yes, okay, okay. Now mute yourself. Okay, let's start the story. So once upon a time, there was a couple, husband and wife. You can see the old man and the old lady. Okay, old man and the old lady. They had lots of hens. हाँ वो poor बहुत poor थे. They were very poor, and they had some hens actually, and there was only one geese in that. You can see the goose in that old man's hand. Yes. So what happened? The hens used to lay eggs every day, and the old man used to take the eggs and go to the market and sell them and get some money. But that money was not sufficient for them to buy food for them every day. So what happened one day? They were just thinking like what to do now. We are not having that much money. कैसे चलेगा अभी? What we will do? है ना? So one day what happened? He saw the goose. The goose laid one egg. The goose laid one egg. And what happened? The egg was golden color, golden egg. Can you see the egg in the picture? Yes, the color of the egg is golden color. Yes, the egg is golden color. Now the old man and the old lady, okay, they became very happy. The farmer was very happy. The old man was a farmer. See, they both are rejoicing. They are so happy to get that golden egg. Now they thought, both of them, now we will sell this golden egg, take it to the market, sell it, and we will have lots of money. So what happened? And every day the geese was laying one egg, and the egg was taken by the farmer to the market. He sold the egg, and then they got money little by little. रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा मिलता था. So what happened now? Then every day the goose was giving only one egg. So they were thinking, what will happen if we cut the goose stomach, and if we cut the stomach, we will get so many eggs inside. Okay. So now the farmer thought, come on, we have an idea. See, farmer's wife is also standing with him only. Both of them are looking at the goose, and now they are planning to cut the stomach. The stomach will, if they cut the stomach, they will get so many eggs. Yes or no? See, now what happened? They cut the goose. Cut kar diya na, so much blood came out. But what happened? Did they get any egg inside? No, there was no egg inside. Oh, the farmer and his wife became so sad. See, they became so sad. What did we do? Every day we were getting one egg, and the farmer used to sell that egg in the market and he used to get money. But he was very greedy. He became very greedy, and he thought, if I cut the goose, and so many eggs we will get. But did they get any eggs? No, they did not get any eggs. And the farmer and his wife was very sad. They said, Arey, what we did? Arey, now we don't have anything. Now goose is also died. Goose has also died. And we don't have any much money also. So, what did you learn from the story, children? The moral of the story is too much greed always leads to great loss. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Means If the farmer wouldn't have been greedy, the goose was giving golden eggs every day. One egg the goose was giving one egg no every day. So he would have taken that egg and sold in the market and got money from that. But he became very greedy. He thought, "Ki, if I cut the stomach of the goose, then I will get so many eggs together." But what happened? He lost everything. And now nothing is there. Now he will have to survive with whatever hens gives the egg. No, that with those only he has to survive. Again, did you like the story, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now I will ask you some questions. Okay. Who will answer? Okay. I will tell the name. Then you have to answer. Okay. Ready? Okay. Misha, you tell me. Uh, the farmer and his wife, they were rich or poor? The farmer and his wife, वो गरीब थे कि rich थे? Ah, they were poor. Very good, Misha. Yes, they were poor. Okay, now who will answer? Rudra. Rudra? Rudra. Okay, now you answer, okay? Tell me, the farmer had many hens and he had one more bird with him. What is the name of what was that bird?
Goose.
Goose. Yes, very good. Very nice. Okay, and the egg which the goose gave, what was it? The normal egg or some other egg? Who will tell me this answer? Ryan? Ryan, come on, you tell me. It was a normal egg which all the hens give, or it was a different kind of egg? What's the egg? Who will tell me? Yes, Ryan, tell me. Ryan. Yes, very good. The egg was golden. Golden egg. The goose was giving golden egg. Yes, right. Okay, now who will tell me? Advik? Advik, tell me what happened at the end of the story to the goose? What happened to the goose at the end of the story?
Died. Kelly died.
What happened?
Nine.
Died. Okay, why? But why? What happened? It died on its own, or the farmer did something?
Farmer. Kelly.
Diamond King.
Farmer killed. Yes, Navisha. Farmer killed the goose, no? And it died. And what did you learn from the story? Who will tell me? What did you learn from the story?
The farmer is cutting.
Greedy.
The farmer cut the geese, no? Huh. So the farmer became greedy. The farmer became greedy. उसको ऐसे लगा कि if I cut the geese, then I will get so many eggs together. है कि नहीं? So he became greedy. So should you be greedy? Sometimes it happens. Now mommy gives you something to eat. Then you say, "Ki nahi, I want so many. I want so many. I want so many pizzas. I want to eat together all those pizzas." And when you eat all,
Is this
Ah,
lollipop?
oh, then when you eat so many together, what happens then? Your stomach will start paining, and then you will say, "Mummy, मेरा पेट दुख रहा है." Yes or no? So you should not be greedy. Greedy, what happens? It falls.
Lollipop
You
is
lose
this
something or the other. Yes or no? So did you like the story, all of you? Did you like the story? Come on, I want everyone to show me a thumb. Show me a thumb. I cannot see. I think some of y'all got bored listening to the story. Yes? Yes, very good. Now, let me see. Now, tomorrow on Friday, again, I'll ask you the story. Let me see who remembers. Okay? Okay, children? Okay. Now, Cheryl ma'am Cheryl ma'am? Cheryl ma'am is not able to. She's speaking but not able to hear. We are not able to hear her. Okay. So now we are done with the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now we will start today. Ma'am was supposed to teach you some letters. Okay. Last time, which letters did we do? Yes.
Angelina is going to present the story.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Rivan,
So
you have
somebody
pressed
is
up
going
now?
to, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So come on, Rivan. Yes. What do you want to?
Ma'am,
You have-
somebody can narrate. And then,
Cutting
Okay,
grass.
but better than he will not be seen.
wait 1 minute.
Farmer is cutting grass.
Yes, yes. See, all of you see Rivan. Rivan, let him at least speak.
Farmer
Let
is
Rivan. Farmer. See, Rivan has acted like a farmer. Can you see the farmer there? Rivan standing over there. Yes, yes. He's a farmer. Rivan has become a farmer. The farmer who is having so many eggs and so many geese. Yes or no? Yes. See, he's having a knife also. Come on. Okay, Rivan, I will tell the story again and you act, okay? Can you see Rivan, all of you? I think everybody can see. Okay. Rivan? 1 second, let me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
like
ma'am.
Doctor.
Okay, others, please mute yourself. Yes, very good, Rivan. Yes. See, the farmer is having a goose. See the goose there, white color goose. And now what happens? The goose is giving golden eggs. Yes or no? There, so many eggs are there. Wow, the goose is giving eggs every day. So farmer has collected those eggs. Yes, Rivan, tell.
Give money. I will sell them and give money.
Yes,
I'm
after
very rich. I am very
yeah.
rich.
Yes, very good. Yes, the farmer has got so many eggs. Now he will go to the market and he will sell those eggs and get so much money. Yes or no? Then what happened, farmer? The farmer became very greedy. What did he do? Yes, Rivan? Farmer, what did you do then?
I'll cut.
Oh, you will cut the goose.
I
And
want
what will
all
happen
eggs.
then? Oh, he wants all the eggs. See, he's telling he wants all the eggs. But what will happen? Will he get all the eggs?
No eggs.
Will he get all the eggs? Oh, no eggs. The goose has died. Yes, the farmer is crying now. See, farmer is crying. I don't have anything now. Goose is also dead and eggs are also gone. Oh, all of you clap for Rivan. Very nice, Rivan. See, farmer looking so smart.
Not happy. Or else you will suffer.
Okay, very good. Very nice. All of you clap for Rivan. Yes, very good. Thank you, Rivan.
टीचर ने बता टीचर ने I have white egg.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank
it
you,
fine,
Anjali.
Jigar sir?
Rivan, hold the goose and golden
Yes,
eggs.
I
I
have.
want to click one photo.
Yes. And you just say, Rivan, say, I'm a farmer. Just say, then
Yes, sir.
you will be seen.
And can you switch on your video?
हाँ सर
Rivan,
कराऊँ છું.
yes. And just hold the eggs and the farmer with the, hold that flashcard, what you have made.
Smile कर.
Rivan, you say, I'm a farmer.
Rivan, wait a minute. Ma'am, you don't in between. Just I want to take a bigger photo of Rivan. Rivan, you unmute and speak something.
I'm a farmer. I'm a cute goose. सर को पकड़ सर को. Goose सर को पकड़. It gives golden eggs. चला बच्चों. I have a cute goose. Let's show them.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Rivan. Thank you, all students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rivan. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Golden egg.
I am golden egg
Yeah.
teacher.
Kavir is having golden egg. Kavir. Now you
Yes.
paint it, then it will become
Yes.
golden.
Golden egg.
Yes, golden egg, Kavir. You also got a goose in your house. It will break. It
Yes.
will break.
Shalin, ma'am, you can stop recording now. Thank you, ma'am.
चलो, एक